Happy New Year, everyone. So I'm not supposed to go to this ball drop thing for the New Year's Eve, but I just decided to go because I was a little bit worried for Tofu when she hears the firecrackers and fireworks, but I think she will handle it well. So yeah, I'm gonna be quick anyway. I'm going to check the food trucks that are here, and then after that, go somewhere else. I don't know. Hey Tofu, you weren't scared at all? You were just sleeping and waiting for mama? Alright guys, so that's a wrap. It's 2025. I wish everything will be much better this year for everyone. And I wish that peace will just reign in the entire world. No more war, please. No more war, no more crimes, and just love and peace. That's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye.